Hello Internet, my name's Aaron Garcia, and today I have a very special unboxing. This package came from Amazon, and not just from Amazon, it came from my wife. This was my Christmas gift, and it took me a lot of discipline to not open it immediately, because that's something I would like to do, is open it immediately. I unwrapped it, yes, but I've been saving it for you guys to enjoy as an unboxing video. And here with me today, I just like microphones, okay guys? I have this, and it's amazing. Now you're asking, what exactly is this? Well, this is the Impact LX25 Plus USB controller keyboard. So I asked for this for Christmas. I didn't ask for this specific model for Christmas. I just asked for a USB keyboard, and Kara surprised me with it. And this is what I got, and I'm very excited about it. It is basically like a musical keyboard, for those who are not familiar with it, that you can plug into your computer, and you can use programs like Logic Pro, Garageband, any other musical program, and you can just play musical notes on here and make songs digitally. And that's what I wanted. This is exciting. This is my very first one ever. And the very first time I ever saw one of these was probably, I want to say, back when the Bondi Blue iMacs were around, like in '98 or no, it was at Comp USA. I remember that store, and they had an example of one of these out, and a Mac Pro of some kind. And I just remember it was the coolest thing ever, and I always wanted one. So now I have one, and I'm really excited to open it up. But as we always do, we look at the packaging first. So on the packaging, it tells me, now make sure camera B is getting a good shot of this, or here, camera C. We have a camera C now. A, B, and C, or A, C, and B. So I have the Impact LX25 Plus USB controller with Nektar DAW integration and Bitwig 8-track included. Don't know what any of that means, but it sounds great. And it's compatible with Windows, OS X, Linux, and iOS. What? I read that right? iOS? It's compatible with iPhone? I can only imagine plugging this into my iPhone somehow, but that's going to be very interesting. It features a 25-note full-size velocity-sensitive keyboard, so there's 25, I assume this is 25 keys, I didn't count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, there's 25 keys on there. And it has pitch and bend modulation wheels, which I assume are these, maybe, and one fader, and that is assignable. 8, wow, it's gonna try my pronunciation skills here. Potentometers. Potentometers. Oh, you can tell I'm not that musical. It's assignable. Page button for Nektar DAW integration only. Okay, I'll find out what that means. 6 transport buttons automatically mapped via Nektar DAW integration. It's also assignable. 8 velocity sensors, 8 velocity sensitive LED backlit pads. Okay, I'm assuming these pads right here. Clips and scenes, buttons for Nektar DAW integration early. So I'm assuming this Nektar DAW is software that comes with the keyboard. 1-foot switch socket, full generic MIDI MIDI. That's bad. Full generic MIDI controller programmable capabilities. So it's a MIDI keyboard. 7-segment LED display. 5 programmable user presets, 4 user programmable pad maps. It's USB powered, has USB class compliant, no driver needed, which is good. Includes a USB cable, that's good, I also need that. Includes a version of Bitwig 8-track, so there's some software. Nektar DAW integration for Bitwig Cubase, Digital Performer. Okay, now we're naming some musical software. FL Studio, familiar with that. GarageBand, that's what I use. Logic, I have that. Nuendo, don't have that. Reaper, Reason, Sonar, heard of it. Studio One, Plus, and more. So I got through that, guys. So this is all new to me because this is my first one ever. Oh, Nektar, there we go. That's the company that makes this apparently. So very, very exciting. I know very little about it other than it's musical, and I am ready to open it. So we're just gonna discover what this thing has to offer. I've got a knife for the drama, and yeah. And this knife was a gift also to me from Chris, which is Kara's brother, my brother-in-law. And I don't hunt much, but I do hunt for products and great deals. So we're gonna be opening the box with it. And this is interesting. Okay, so we're just gonna open the box like so. There is more opening. There we go. Ooh, gotta be careful with that. And okay, we got the box. I'm gonna set this down because there's a lot of box, and I'm gonna sheath the blade. There we go. Doot. Safety first, guys. Thought you'd get a kick out of that. Instead of having a little pocket knife that looks kind of wimpy on camera, I thought I'd get some Bowie knife, you know, be Texan. So here we go. So I am first greeted with the USB cable. So it is a USB cable. Nothing too fancy about that. It reminds me of a printer cable a little bit. And I'm just going to show that camera B real closely. Camera C and camera A. We'll set that aside. And inside we have this packet of what appears to be the manual. So I'll probably have to read it since this is my first ever keyboard. That is, ooh, okay, it's giving me a peek of what it looks like. So instead of that red and white depiction, this is what it looks like. It looks good. It looks very good. I'll show that to camera B there. So it's going to be black, and you can see. I don't want to give it all away, right? We gotta see it in the flesh. But it's got all kinds of lovely instructions I need to read. So we'll set that aside, and it appears that the only thing left is the keyboard itself, right? So we'll move the microphone out of the way, and we're gonna open this up. Okay, so, ooh, this is very exciting. And hopefully not like my HP video, I don't drop this. Okay, cool, there it is. Getting a first peek at it, guys. Very nice. Oh yeah, I am gonna be using this a lot, I have a feeling. And Kara's gonna tell me to wear some headphones because I gotta practice my musical skills a little bit more. Unless I'm doing like some dubstep that's abstract, which I'm thinking that's what I'm gonna be using this for. Ooh. Okay. Take that off. That looks good. That looks really good. Let's get some zooms on this. It's got some wheels. Ooh, okay, so this one, you know, bounces back. This one, if you move it, it just kind of stays there. So I'm gonna have you come around, get some zooms of this. So this is this one bounces back, as you can see. This one moves. It's got a fader here, feels nice. Some octave keys, a bunch of switches, some, you know, I guess some kind of screen here with numbers on it. Your pads. Oh, this is so nice, and I've got a bunch of them. I got like 8 of them here. Some different buttons here that, you know, you can play. The keys themselves, they feel really, really nice. And I am really excited to try this out. So to try this out, we're gonna probably need some software. Do we need some software to do? Oh, no, we can use GarageBand, right? So we're gonna go ahead and do that and see what that's like. You don't wanna see me talk about it, you wanna see me play it, right? Okay, I got it set up right here with my Mac. This is my Mac M1, as you saw in one of my other unboxing videos. And we're going to test it out here in Logic Pro. Logic Pro is a musical app. And let's see here. It says add a plug-in instrument. I want a MIDI USB device. That's what I have. I don't think I need anything else. I'm not entirely sure what I'm doing, but I think that's what I want to do. So we're going to try that. Take out the metronome. We're going to take out all the beats per minute because I don't understand any of that anyway, just yet. Well, it is on. Simplified mode. I don't have any sound effects on this thing yet. I guess I have it on piano. I think I'll just do a new project. Let's see, don't save, let's start over. Okay, it's doing something. That's a good sign. It's indexing some Apple loops. Okay, just some loops, okay. Okay, I don't necessarily want classical music. I want to delete that. Can I? Okay. Oh. Okay, I don't want that. I want something a little bit more electronic. Okay, I think I need to change the instrument from this to something a little bit more classic electronic. Preset. Ooh, do I have different sound effects on here? Okay, I understand what that's for now. Okay. I feel like I should use some GarageBand because I'm a little more familiar with it, but let's see. I think I'm going to switch it over to GarageBand just for this demonstration because I'm actually not entirely sure what I'm doing. Let's go to GarageBand because I was playing a little beat on Instagram and I was having some fun, but I was doing it on the keyboard, typing it out. I don't want to type this out. I want to play it on this keyboard. So we're going to go ahead and click here. I want this, create. Okay, all right, that's good. Okay, lead. I don't know if I want to lead. You know what? I think it was a... There we go. That's what I want to see. All right, power fifths. Some more sound on that. I can't hear any of that. There we go. Rhythmic. I like rhythmic. What did I use last time? Okay. We're starting to find some cool stuff here. Took a minute. Okay, these knobs do something here, as I'm finding. Okay, but I'm not finding what I necessarily want yet. So we're just gonna go through all these. Whoa. Okay. So I'm just kind of learning what GarageBand has to offer. I'm hoping that this audio is recording on the computer, because then I'll have a really good recording for you. Feeling something there. So one of the first things I'm going to do is disable the metronome and the count in. Change this to time because I understand that a little better. And I'm going to keep finding something kind of cool to lay down a beat. And I do not make any promises that I'm any good at this stuff. This is a Christmas present. But I would like to get good at it, so I have to start somewhere. So, rhythmic soundscape. I feel like I've played one of these and I'm really just looking for, oh, pad. Let's see if that's what I'm looking for. Ooh, pad. Just tell it to download some stuff. Okay, it's asking for my password to download stuff. I'm just gonna download like everything. Download, 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 download. Just keep downloading stuff. I would like to change octaves. Can I change? There we go. Okay, so there's a button over here that you can press for the octaves. I feel like recently I opened a Shibanera. I'm going to open up this project that I have because I already know I have something going on here. Oh. Okay, Hypnotic bass is what I was looking for. Okay, I'm gonna go back to new project. Empty project. Yes, I wanna play with that. We're starting to learn a few things about it. Synthesizer, rhythmic. Okay, it's not very loud. It's one of the very first things I'm noticing. And the first time I played with this, it was very loud. So I would like to see the keyboard where it's at. Okay, there's apparently 5 octaves. I feel like it's not loud enough. How do I raise volumes or anything like that? Shift. Mute. Oh, okay. Something changed. Okay, now I'm starting to feel good. These knobs don't seem to do anything. Okay, we're ready to start recording something. Let's go for it. I really like this hypnotic synth bass in Garageband. I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm just making up stuff as I go along. It's kind of fun. Okay, so we recorded that. So let's get another instrument and we're going to play along with it. Create something else. Gotta be careful because it might be loud. Of course it will be loud. So I need like a lead or something. I would like some bass. That's brass. Bass. This isn't a song again. Okay, I messed that up somehow. Okay, we're gonna start over from the beginning. Gotta be careful with what, see how loud these things are. Stop that beat real quick and listen to this. This high rise pluck sounds really good. I get a lot of fun and enjoyment out of just messing around with these things. Of course, making a song like what you would hear in iTunes or Spotify obviously takes a lot of talent and a lot of practice and understanding of what the heck you're doing. But messing around with this a little bit, messing with that wheel a little bit, does sound really cool. Whoa. Not entirely sure what I'm doing with all this stuff. Let's try again. I feel like it gets louder later. Not entirely sure what's going on here. Well, that concludes my video. Thanks for watching. Really enjoyed playing around with this really awesome musical keyboard. I have a lot to learn, you know, just with music in general, but I do enjoy messing around. I'm sure some of you do as well, and some of you are actually musical, and that's really cool. So if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, liking this video, sharing it with your friends, and I will leave a QR code and a link in the description below where you can pick this up. My overall impression of it is that it's awesome. It's amazing. I really like it. Can't wait to be playing more with it. Until next time, thanks for watching.